So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 5 of chapter number 18, that is exponents and powers. Okay, so let us start. So now our next topic is to find that which one between the two number is greater. Okay, that is minus 2 upon 3 raised to 5 or minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3. Okay, so for that what we have to do? First we have to find what is the value of minus 2 upon 3 raised to 5. Now we know that this power 5 is both for numerator and for denominator. So minus 2 raised to 5 means we have to multiply minus 2 5 times. Okay. So we get minus 2 5 times multiplied in this way. Then this 5 power is for 3 also, that is for denominator also. Okay. So we have to write 3 5 times, that is we have to multiply 3 also how many times? 5 times. Okay. Now look at the sign. Here it is minus sign and power is an odd number. So we have learned whenever a negative number has a power odd number, our answer will be always negative. Okay. So minus will multiply 5 times, our answer will be minus, and 2 when multiplied 5 times, so we get it as 32. Now next 3 when multiplied 5 times, we get it as 243. Okay. Now our next number is minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3. Okay. So now minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3 means now this 3 power is for both numerator and for denominator. Okay. So we can write it as minus 1 will multiply 3 times and 3 will also multiply 3 times. Okay. Now again here a negative number is there. Its power is an odd number. So our answer here it should be negative. So 1 when multiplied 3 times our answer will be 1, and 3 when multiplied 3 times our answer is 27. Now we have learned comparison of rational numbers. Now this one is also a rational number, this one is also a rational number. Okay, we cannot directly compare between these two numbers unless the denominators are same. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to make the denominators same. For making the denominator same, here denominator is 243, here it is 27. So we want to make this 27 also as a 243. So how can we make it? So for that we have to multiply it by 9. Okay. Now when you are multiplying the denominator by 9, we have to multiply the numerator also by 9. Okay. So now minus 1 into 9, it will become minus 9, and 27 into 9 will become 243. Again remember this we have done just for taking its LCM. Okay, I am highlighting it. This one is for LCM. Okay, now we have that both the numbers are having same denominator. Now we will compare between the numerators. Now between minus 32 and minus 9, which one is greater? So minus 9 is greater, okay, than minus 32. So since minus 9 is greater than minus 32, therefore minus 9 upon 243 is greater than minus 32 upon 243. Now minus 9 upon 243 is the value of what? So it is nothing but minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3. So finally we can say that therefore minus 1 upon 3 raised to 3 is greater than minus 2 upon 3 raised to 5. Okay. Now let us see our next example. Now here it is given that find the value of the following. So here we have minus 1 upon 3 raised to 2 into 3 upon 4 raised to 3. Again same condition. Now minus 1 upon 2 raised to 3 means minus 1 will multiply 2 times and 3 will also multiply 2 times. Here 3 upon 4 raised to 3 means 3 will multiply 3 times, 4 will also multiply 3 times. So we get it in this way. Now what we have to do? We have to see here in between multiplication sign is there. So we can directly do cross cancellation. So check if any cancellation is possible or not. So yes, we can cancel. So 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Okay. So now here what do we get? Minus into minus plus. So finally we get 1 upon 1. Okay. And here 1 3 is remaining over here. Okay. So that correction will make it here. So it will become 3 upon. Now this 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. Now what we will do? 3 ones are 3, 64 ones are 64. So our final answer should be 3 upon 64. Okay. So now this is our final answer. Is it clear? Let us solve one more example based on this type. Now here we have minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by minus 3 upon 10 raised to 4. So minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3 means minus 2 is multiplied 3 times and 5 is also multiplied 3 times. So we get it in this way. After that division sign is there. So this sign we will write as it is. Now minus 3 upon 10 raised to 4 means minus 3 is multiplying 4 times. 10 is also multiplying 4 times. So that we can write it this way. Now remember that here division is there. When division sign is there, we cannot do any type of cancellation over here. So for that what we will do? We will convert this division into multiplication. But condition is that when you write this one in multiplication, whichever next number is there, we have to write its reciprocal, means the denominator will go to numerator and numerator will go to denominator. So let us see what happens. Okay, this will be as it is. Now here you will get this 10 will come to numerator in this way and minus 3 at all numbers will come to the denominator. Now we have to check whether we can cancel any numbers or not. So yes, here also we can make some cancellation. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and 5 ones are, and 5 twos are. Okay, no other cancellation is possible over here. So finally what do we get now? We'll multiply this minus into minus into minus will become minus. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, denominator will be 1. Okay, and here we will get 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 tens are 80 upon 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 threes are 81. Okay, now here minus sign is multiplying 4 times. 4 is an even number, so our answer here it is positive. Okay, now finally this minus 8 will multiply to 80 and 81 will multiply to 1. Okay, so our answer will be minus 640 upon 81. Okay, now let us see our next example. Now our next topic is reciprocal of a rational number. Okay, suppose we have a number that is p upon q. So reciprocal of a p upon q can be written as q upon p. We have already learned this one. But now suppose if this number is having some power, for example, now reciprocal of p upon q raised to n. Okay. Now here this rational number is having a power and we have to write its reciprocal. So no more changes must be there. Similar to this one, we'll keep this power as it is and just will take a reciprocal of this number. So what you will get? We'll get it as q upon p raised to n. Okay. So what we have learned that whenever we are writing reciprocal of a rational number, the power remain as it is and we have to take a reciprocal of the number, that is numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. Okay, now let us consider some example. It is given that find the reciprocal of each of the following and express them each of them in exponential form. Okay, so let us consider our first example. So now here we have 3 upon 7 raised to 5. We want to write it's a reciprocal. Okay, so a reciprocal of 3 upon 7 raised to 5. what it will be, power will be as it is, just you will interchange this number, so you will get it as 7 upon 3 raised to 5. Okay, let us consider next example. Now here we have minus 7 raised to 11. Now remember that if a number is simply minus 7, okay, so I'm writing it here. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 upon 1. Okay, so reciprocal of a minus 7 raised to 11 will be, now minus 7 can be written as minus 7 upon 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon minus 7 raised to 11. Okay, so hope you all must have understood up till here. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.